Sagittarius, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for March 16 to 31, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo nila information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see Sag. What's up? Energy update for Sagittarius. Okay, so this is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, blessings, energy ng money, career, your health, and your love life. Bottom of the deck, Champion of Pentacles. This is about your stability. So ngayong second half ng March, you are focused on maintaining stability, whether this is about your relationship or your finances or your career. Some of you, mas nagpo-focus kayo on saving money, para kayong nagtatanim. Oo, para syempre, meron tayong aanihin. Oo, ayan, no? 10 of Wands, so many work. Medyo nakakapagod ang second half ng March for you, Sagittarius. Maraming responsibilities, maraming kailangan gawin, pero kayang-kaya nyo naman yan, no? Lalo na kung meron kayong pina-follow na schedule. Kasi nakakatulong talaga yan para you will see the bigger picture na, ito kailangan ko palang ayusin to, kailangan ko tong asikasuhin para wala kang mami-miss out. Okay? So, your overall energy is the Champion of Swords. You are very strategic sa iyong mga actions. Okay? Kaya lang, may pagkakataon rin na mabilis kang matrigger. Na, alam mo yung matitrigger na tipong mabilis kang mairita, mainis, that might be uncontrollable para sa'yo, na pwedeng meron kang masabi or magawa na pwedeng pagsisihan mo after dahil hindi mo pinag-isipang maigi yung actions na ginawa mo. Okay? And then, your challenge is the Ten of Cups. So, pwedeng meron challenging situation within the family, or pwede kasing indirect to, like, hindi naman talaga yung iyong immediate family, pwedeng family ng asawa mo, family ng anak mo, kung meron na silang asawa. So, it's like, malaki malawak, no, yung pwedeng panggalingan ng challenge na to. But, I think, ang importante dito is, nagkakasundo kayo, like, kahit na may challenge, kumbaga nagkakasundo kayo sa mga actions na dapat yung gawin, yung mga ideas ninyo na tutulong para ma-resolve yung problema within the family. And then, your opportunity is the Ace of Pentacles. Wow, ang ganda nito as an opportunity. This is a new beginning. New beginning in your business, your career, your finances. Yung iba sa inyo merong bibilhing lupa or property sa isang probinsya, no? Maaring yun yung opportunity for you. Yung iba parang nag-check na kayo ng mga places, nagtitripping na kayo, ganyan. Pwedeng you're gonna buy a new property like bahay, or you may be starting a business. Opportunity to start a business ngayong second half ng March. Na kumbaga nagsisimula ka na mag-ikot-ikot papunta sa mga places na kung saan doon ka makakakuha ng information or materials para sa business na sisimulan mo. And then, your blessing is the Five of Pentacles. As a blessing, magiging positive ang energy ng Five of Pentacles. This is because magagawan mo na ng solusyon yung financial struggle or financial problems within you or within the family. This is also a solution, no? Solution sa mga losses. Kasi yung iba pwedeng nagkaroon ng losses within your income. So, don't worry kasi magagawa naman siya ng paraan. And I think, itong opportunity mo to start something new, parang yan na yung sagot eh. Yan na yung sagot doon sa financial struggle mo or challenge sa family mo. Na it is starting. You have the opportunity to finally do it and start something new. Okay? And then, money, you have the Champion of Wands. This is taking a risk. Okay? Taking a leap of faith. Na kung malakas ang loob mo, mas madali mong makukuha yung gusto mo for your finances, for your money. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayong susubukan like pagnenegosyo or trying a new source of income na maglalakas loob ka na, magti-take action ka na. Hindi mo na lang basta siya iisipin at paplanuhin because the Champion of Wands is taking action. Taking inspired action. Okay? And you will be inspired in taking the first step towards your financial goals. And then for your career, you have the Empress, o diba? Very productive ka pagdating sa career mo. There's also recognition here. Pwedeng ikaw ay ma-awardan, ma-recognize yung iyong trabaho, yung efforts na binibigay mo for the company, for your career. Ano man yung career path mo ngayon, whether this is about business, pasensya na kung maingay ang background bigla dahil may dumaan na maingay na motor. Or yung iba naman, maaring meron kayong sa career kasi iba pwedeng trabaho yung career mo, pwede ring business yung career mo. It's like a new start, no? Kasi the Empress is like giving birth to something. So, it's like you are giving birth to a new business or a new career path. Yung iba, pwedeng kayo ay mapopromote. So, merong bago, may magsisimula sa career path mo na talagang in-effortan mo naman. And then, your health, you have the Apprentice of Cups. Some of you, merong kayong kailangang ipa-check sa inyong health. And this is also taking care of your needs. Ano lang naman to, mild issue sa career, sa iyong kalusugan na kailangan mo nang harapin at bigyan ng atensyon. Kasi minsan kahit na yung mga symptoms maliliit lang, pero kung lagi mo nang nakikita, you really need to have it checked. Okay? So this is you taking your time to take care of your health. And then your love life, you have the Ace of Swords. So this is a new beginning. So yung iba sa inyo, if you're single, pwedeng merong mamumuong relationship na magsisimula siya sa isang conversation or para siyang intellectual conversation na maaaliw ka sa taong to kasi matalino siya. Or if you're already in a relationship right now, I think magbibigay kayo ng focus and attention sa communication mo with your person. Na mas magiging madalas dapat yung inyong pag-uusap. Lalo na if this is a long distance relationship. The answer is yes. Yes. Yes to your spiritual insights. So I think mas magiging wiser ka when it comes to making decisions. Ano tong within a few weeks? This is about revisiting your past. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng kayo ay may bibisitahin na hometown ninyo, kung saan doon kayo pinanganak, or doon kayo nag-aral, or bibisitahin nyo yung lola at lolo nyo, or parents nyo. Message. There is a very important message na marireceive mo ngayong second half ng March. In what area of life is this? 11th house, which is about your dreams, your hopes, your goals. So, pwedeng ito yung mga pangarap mo like trabaho or bagong career. You have the Fox, which is shape shift. This is like pag-iingat rin kasi to sa mga taong nakakasalamuha mo, kung ano talaga yung totoong intentions nila sa'yo, whether this is romantic connection or sa business, sa trabaho. And you are going to take care of your body. Your body deserves your love. Yes. So, I think yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo pagdating sa kalusugan. Hindi lang naman yan check-up, but also, practicing self-love, self-care. Go for a massage, no? Have a massage. Or manicure, pedicure. Go to the salon. And you're also going to be true to yourself. Live life for you, not the audience in your head. Yes. So this is not the people pleasing time for you. You are focused on your needs and being true to yourself. Okay, so that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.